famous for Nilambur tea. Nilambur is famous for Nilambur tea, which is world famous. It is even used by the British car manufacturers Rolls-Royce. The second place I would suggest is Tirur, where the father of modern Malayalam literature, Tunjathu Ramanujan Ezhuthachan, was born. And there is also a famous university in Tirur in the name of that personality. Also, there is a wagon tragedy memorial in Tirur, which has got significance in history. Also, I would like to suggest my hometown Angadipuram, which is famous for two temples, Tirumandangunnu Kshetram and temple and Tali Mahadeva temple.
Good. You are speaking very well. Please tell about yourself.
Sir, myself Tanya Beno. I come from Malappuram district in Kerala. I'm a postgraduate in mathematics. I completed my graduation BSc in mathematics from Providence Women's College, Calicut during the academic year 2016-19. And I recently completed my post-graduation MSc in mathematics from Calicut University campus during the academic year 2019-2021. I also did 2 certificate courses from 2 reputed IITs in India, IIT Kanpur and IIT Roorkee. I come from a family of 5 members, including my father, mother, brother, and sister. My hobbies are painting and drawing. Thank you, sir.
Why did you choose mathematics?
Sir, during my school days, mathematics has been always my favorite subject. So I thought of getting deep knowledge in mathematics. That is why I chose mathematics for my degree. And while completing my degree, I thought of getting more knowledge in mathematics. I thought I could complete my study in mathematics after doing a post-graduation. So that's why I went to opt mathematics again for my post-graduation subject, sir.
What type of maths are you familiar with?
Sir, I am familiar with theory mathematics because I chose theory mathematics for my post-graduation. So rather than just numbers, I'm more familiar with theory mathematics, sir.
How do you calculate interest?
Simple interest can be calculated by interest is equal to principal into number of years into rate divided by 100.
What about another interest?
Compound interest is calculated year-wise. So I don't use formula actually. I do in a shortcut method by calculating interest for 1 year and then adding that amount and the principal and taking the interest next year, sir.
That is too much cumbersome. You must know the formula P into 1 plus R by 100,
by 100
to the power of n. A is
yes, sir.
Amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n. Where you want compound interest only, P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of n minus P.
Okay, sir.
Can you tell me what is percentage?
Percentage is a comparison of a value. We are generalizing it to what it will the value equal in terms of 100. So we will be dividing a number to the total and multiplying it with 100.
What is 12.5% of rupees 8,800?
12.5% of rupees 8,800 is 1,100, sir.
Very good. You have passed max test.
Thank you, sir.
Max test you have passed, no problem. Why do you want to come to bank?
Sir, during the end of my post-graduation, I started thinking about the various career options which I could pursue. And I found that I'm more inclined to banking sector because banking sector is a sector which promises fast recruitments and high career growth. Also, it's a people's relations job. So I can communicate with people. I can mingle with people. It's also a service sector. I'm yet learning about banking only, but till the knowledge I gained about banking, I found myself to be inclined to banking, sir.
Yeah. Tell us about your family.
Sir, mine is a family of 5 members. My father, Mr. Beno Thomas, is working as a higher secondary school principal. My mother, Mrs. Nina Francis, is working as a higher secondary school teacher. I have a younger brother and a younger sister. My brother is studying in +1 and my sister is studying in class 9.
What is your father actually?
He's a higher secondary school principal, sir.
Oh, mother?
Higher secondary school teacher.
Oh, bah. Then why should you not go as a teacher?
Yes, sir. Both my parents are from teaching field. But I always wanted to choose a different profession, and I also wanted to prove that even by taking a post graduation in a degree subject, I can do a job which equal professionally college students can also take. Also, I am not qualified to become a teacher, so I'm not interested in teaching. That's why I didn't take a B.Ed or PhD or something, sir.
Mhm. So how do you imagine yourself, say, after 5 years from now? Supposing
Sir,
you are selected. Yeah.
Sir, after 5 years, I see myself in a very good position in the bank. I see myself as in a successful career as a banker, as an honest banker, as a sincere banker. I would also have many social contacts, and that would benefit my bank. I'll also have many points because of my good performance in my bank.
Mhm. Good. You seem to be good in talking and impressing the customers. Can you tell me how will you go about how will you go about for canvassing of home loans for your branch?
First of all, thank you, sir. Sir, for canvassing about home loans, I would talk to the customers personally. I can tell them about the interest rates. I can compare to other branches banks where the interest rates is higher, and I can tell them, assure them that if you bank with us, then you will get home loan in a much faster pace and also with this particular rate of interest. I'll also ensure other facilities my bank provide.
No. My question was, how can you increase the number of home loan accounts? What strategies will you adopt to get new customers? Will you do like that loan mela where somebody is having a banner and shouting on the road, loan mela, aa jao, loan mela? Have you not seen that video in the YouTube?
I'm sorry, sir. I haven't seen it, but I'll
Oh,
gladly look into it, sir.
yeah, 1 minute. I will check it up. YouTube.com. 1 minute. One minute.
नहीं, किसी तरह के कोई प्रोसेसिंग फीस, एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस नहीं, नॉर्मल लीगल फीस, टेक्निकल फीस, सारे के सारे चार्जेस फ्री। हमारे स्टॉल पे संपर्क करें। जिन भाइयों को लोन की आवश्यकता हो वो पीछे आके संपर्क कर ले। लोन लेना हुआ बहुत आसान। हमारा रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट 8.40, मार्केट का सबसे कम रेट। 8.40 का रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट। प्रोसेसिंग फीस चार्जेस बिल्कुल निफ्ट, लीगल चार्जेस फ्री, टेक्निकल चार्जेस फ्री। किसी भी तरह का प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना के फायदे कुछ भी जानना हो, हमारे भाई पीछे स्टॉल हमारा लगा हुआ है लोन का, हमारे पास आके संपर्क करें। हम लोग होम लोन दे रहे हैं। होम लोन देना।
Acha, could you follow this?
Yes, sir. I saw the video, sir. Thank you for sharing.
Yeah. So the idea is, this is one way. Another way is to contact the, say, builders like Casa Grande and Appasamy Real Estate, some big construction agents. So if you contact them, they will give you the address of people who are buying the houses.
Okay, sir.
Then
Thank you, sir.
you can contact them so that you can increase the advance. Similarly, if you want car loans, you should approach car dealers.
Okay, sir.
Good.
Okay, sir.
Teacher. Max. Can you teach me any new concept in Max briefly? I I must understand that correctly. Which topic you would like to take up and teach me?
Sir, can I teach the topic ratio? It's
Please,
not a new topic, but
please,
can I?
please do that.
Okay, sir. While when I say ratio is a concept that has been introduced to compare any two quantities together. So you may doubt that how can we compare like elephants and 10 elephants and 5 cows? You may think that what is the ratio between 10 elephants and 5 cows? It is not possible. But I already said that ratio is the comparison of any quantities, whether it is homogeneous or heterogeneous. But it is the comparison of the number. I can compare number of 10 elephants and number of 5 cows. That is 10:5. So by simplifying, I'll get 2:1. So with ratio, we can compare any two quantities.
Good, good. Thank you, thank you. Good. You told nicely. Very happy. You have account in which bank?
Sir, I have account in SBI, sir.
Oh, who is the chairman of SBI?
Mr. Dinesh Kumar Khara is the chairman of SBI.
What is the difference between SBI and Federal Bank?
SBI is a public sector bank. It's the largest public sector bank in India, while Federal Bank is a private sector bank.
Good. Now tell me a few points about Federal Bank.
Sir, Federal Bank is one of the oldest private sector banks in India. I think it was established in the 1930s. It is headquartered in Alua in Kerala. It is one of the biggest banks with over 10 million customers, with almost 1 million NRI customers. It has many branches in foreign countries like Qatar, Oman, etc. It has also like around 1,200 branches and more than 12,000 employees working under it, sir.
That's all. You can know something.
It provides various banking activities.
You can get to know more details, like say what is the capital of Federal Bank, what is the advance of Federal Bank, what is the deposit of Federal Bank. That is given in the press release.
Okay, sir.
Then
I haven't by-hearted it.
Yeah, what is the total profit of the banker? Then what are the loan products? What is the mobile app of the Federal Bank for banking? Then what are the loan products, etc. You can go through that. Okay.
Oh, okay, sir.
Good. Why should we select you?
Sir, I believe my educational qualification satisfies the role that is mentioned here. Also, speaking from my characteristics, I am a honest person. I'm a hardworking person. I always love to expand my comfort zones. Also, I'm a good team player because I had been a good team player in my college and all my institutions. I'm also a good team leader. So I believe that a junior manager is someone who should act as a mediator between the senior officials and the junior officials. So my trait of being a good team player and my leadership quality will help me in that. Also, I'm good in communication skills, so I can market for the bank and I can get more customers.
Can you sell this pen to me?
Sure, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I would like to introduce a pen to you. This is one of the latest models pens, and it has many features like it has smooth writing, because normally in the case of any ballpoint pen we take, after writing for some time, we may feel some discomfort in writing. But I assure that in this pen you will not get any discomfort because it has smooth flowing ink, and it's also even if it falls down for once, it will not stop working, while in most of the other pens will stop working once it falls down. Also, its rate is comparatively cheaper to any other pens with this much features. So I strongly suggest this pen to you, sir.
Very good. Good. You told nicely. Best wishes. Any questions?
Thank you, sir.
Any questions you have?
Sir, will they ask too much banking awareness questions, or will they ask like sales related questions? Because I'm not familiar with that area. I come from a maths background, so.
Sales related, certainly they will ask. They will ask you, are you willing to take up sales job? You should say yes. Are you
Yes.
willing? Are you willing to be posted anywhere in India? You are only daughter for your parents. Will they send you? You should say yes.
Okay, sir.
That's all. Or kya?
Oh, no, I was asking about any technical terms related to sales because
No,
I'm just learning.
technical scale terms they will not ask. They will
Okay,
ask you, how will you sell our car loan? How will you sell our home loan? How will you sell our insurance products? How will you get our mutual funds? What is mutual fund? What is bank assurance? Like that, these questions can come.
Okay, sir.
Best wishes, you did well.
Thank you, sir.
You did well. Maybe
Thank you, sir.
after the date is announced, you can come again if you want. And
Yes,
you,
sir. I'm planning to. Once the
yeah.
date is announced, if
Yeah.
sir is free, I'm planning to ask you, sir.
Yeah. Again, 100 rupees only you have to pay. And you
Sure,
can
sir.
take
Sure,
it.
sir.
Best wishes. You did well.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
This will appear in YouTube after half an hour or so.
Okay, sir.
You can also watch it and try to find. You have not
Yes,
done
sir.
big mistakes, but still find out which areas you need to improve.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you. And
Thank you, sir.
show it to your parents also, check their views.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sorry. Your case, it is not required. Your parents or teachers only. Whereas
Yes, sir.
the previous candidate, parents, both of them are bankers.
Oh, sure. Okay, sir.
So for them, it is more required. Anyhow, doesn't matter. Thank you. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.